Center for the Ethiopian Educational Information and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on determining the distance between 2 points. This is the first lesson in a new unit on coordinate geometry. In previous grades, you learned how to use geometrical graphs to represent different algebraic ideas such as relations and functions. Over the next several lessons, you will learn how to use algebra to gain a better understanding of geometry. You will study the distance formula and the section formula. You will also learn how to describe a line slope by writing the equation of a line. I am sure that you'll find this unit to be quite useful. Shall we begin, students? In your grade 9 studies, you learned that there is a 1-to-1 correspondence between the set of real numbers and the set of points on the number line. You also learned how to plot points in the coordinate plane and how to express a set of points in the plane as ordered pairs of real numbers. Before we go any further in this lesson, let us do a simple review activity. Students, please draw a coordinate plane. Let R be a point at -2, 4, and T be a point at 5, 4. Plot the points R and T. Is the line through R and T vertical or horizontal? What is the distance between points R and T?
Students, let's get ready. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello, students. Were you able to remember how to plot points on a coordinate plane? Let us review the answers together. A coordinate plane has a horizontal line called the x-axis and a vertical line called the y-axis. Each of these axes is similar to a number line. The point where the two lines intersect is called the origin. This is the point 0, 0. To the right and above the origin, the numbers are positive. To the left and below the origin, the numbers are negative. XY coordinates are always determined by a pair of ordered numbers. the first number is the x value, and the second number is the y value. Therefore, your drawing should look like this one. Begin at the origin. R is a point that is 2 units to the left and 4 units up. T is a point that is 5 units to the right and 4 units up. If we draw a line between the 2 points, we can see that the line is horizontal. To find the distance between these 2 points, we subtract their x values. The distance between 2 points is an absolute value. Thus, -2 minus 5 equals 7. Were these your answers, students? Well done! In the activity, the line between R and T was horizontal. When 2 points are on a horizontal line, they form a line segment that is parallel to the x-axis. Since the 2 points have the same y-coordinate, we can find the distance between them by subtracting their x-coordinates. What if 2 points have the same x-coordinate but different y-coordinates? In such a case, the points will form a vertical line. The distance between these points can be found by subtracting their y-coordinates. Students, there is a third possibility to consider when finding the distance between 2 points in a plane. Suppose that R is a point at -2, -2, and T is a point at 5, 4. These points do not have an x or a y coordinate in common. A line drawn between them is neither vertical nor horizontal. To find the distance between the points R and T, draw a line passing through R parallel to the x-axis. Then, draw a line passing through T parallel to the y-axis. The horizontal line and the vertical line intersect at S, 5, -2. Now, we have a vertical line and a horizontal line that form a right-angled triangle at S. We can use Pythagoras' theorem to find the length of the line RT. If the length of RS equals x2 minus x1 and the length of TS equals y2 minus y1, then the length of RT will be found as follows. RT equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. This is called the distance formula. Students, please use the distance formula to find the length of RT.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Up. let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. I am sure that you did not find that activity too difficult. Let R be a point at -2, -2. x1 is -2 and y1 is -2. Let T be a point at 5, 4. x2 is 5 and y2 is 4. The absolute value of x2 minus x1 is 5 minus -2, which equals 7. The absolute value of y2 minus y1 is 4 minus -2, which equals 6. By substitution, the length of RT equals the square root of 7 squared plus 6 squared. RT is the square root of 85. Students, if you have a calculator, then you can find this to be about 9.2. Today, we reviewed how to plot ordered pairs in an XY coordinate plane. We also learned how to find the distance between 2 points by using the distance formula. In our next lesson, we will learn how to divide a line segment in a plane. Until next time, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.